Welcome to my channel. Today I'm excited to introduce to you a powerful tool that has been trusted and widely used by many of our customers, MKTX. This software helps you boost engagement in a completely natural way, allowing your content to reach a wider audience effortlessly. Whether you're building a personal brand or managing multiple marketing accounts, MKTX can make your work faster and smarter. On my screen right now, you can see the interaction feature of MKTX. Before starting, the first step is to set up your interaction script. This is where all the automation begins. Let's take a quick look at what's inside. AI settings instantly generate multiple comment variations using our built-in AI, so your interactions always feel natural and human-like. Personal interaction. Automatically scroll your feed, like and share posts, and even auto-comment based on your AI-generated scripts. Community interaction. Engage with Facebook groups by browsing feeds, reacting to posts, following members, joining or leaving groups. All hands-free. Targeted interaction. This feature lets you interact using specific accounts either individually or as part of a community, with full flexibility and control. As you can see, MKTX comes packed with a wide range of powerful and practical features designed to make social media engagement effortless. And here's the best part. There's no limit to the number of accounts you can connect. For today's demo, I'll just select a few accounts to show you how it works in action.
Invincible. Here we go.